subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any weight loss tips, diet plans and natural remedies. Get email mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. In this video you will find 10 easy, natural weight loss tips and tricks for beginners that will help to lose weight fast. Consume antioxidants as much as possible. Fruits are best sources of antioxidants that inhibit free radical mechanism and delay process of aging. Eat less refined carbohydrates. These get turned into sugar and promote weight gain. Do not completely cut out carbs for diet, as these are vital for keeping muscles energized. Reduce simple carbs and consume complex carbs in limited amount for healthy weight loss. Plan your snacks and keep these at arm's length. Mid-meal hunger or evening time can be testing if you are on restricted calorie diet. Snacks made of dry fruits like pistachios, raisins, almonds, dates, etc. are good to eat to gain nutrition and pass hunger without adding calories or fat. Focus on getting more protein, but not any protein. Eat plant-based protein as much as possible. Lentils, all types of beans, soy products are good sources of healthy protein. Eggs too are great for restricted calorie diet. These are good as breakfast and provide quality protein and other nutrients. Try to eat half-boiled or hard-boiled for best results. Drink a glass of water after adding juice of a lemon every morning as first thing. This cleanses digestive tract, loads up vitamin C and also speeds up metabolic rate. It is common practice amongst people who have successfully reduced their weight. Chew 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and swallow with a glass of water every morning. Garlic is immunity enhancer, thins blood and speeds up fat metabolism. Use of garlic in cooking is also common practice for weight loss. Chew well and eat slowly. More you chew in mouth, easier it is for a digestive system to digest. Faster digestion fulfills energy requirements and suppresses untimely hunger and bloating, etc. This is good eating practice. Avoid eating in a hurry for smooth weight loss. 2 to 3 cups of black coffee without sugar also helps in weight loss. Caffeine promotes process of thermogenesis, which reduces fat content in body. Count your daily calorie intake. Eating a plant diet gives you option to keep a count of daily calorie intake and avoid excess consumption that adds weight. Staying hungry is no way of losing weight, so eat healthy, low-calorie and low-fat diet at proper timings for healthy weight loss. Slim and Trim capsules control frequent hunger and maintain eating pattern healthy to promote weight loss. These come with herbs that enhance overall nutritional support and also burn down fat faster. Slim and Trim capsules help in shedding excess weight by improving metabolic rate. You can add Slim and Trim for healthy weight loss and higher muscle mass. Buy Slim and Trim from naturalgain.com. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update.